Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating the mesh. Make sure UVs are non-overlapping and the model is correctly scaled, because texture projection depends on clean UVs. Next, bake essential maps: normal, ambient occlusion, curvature at a resolution like 2048, so you have accurate detail to drive materials. Once done, import the FBX or OBJ into Substance Painter and set document resolution and unit scale. This prevents mismatches when exporting later, and you now construct the look by building a logical layer stack. Start with a base material, then add edge wear and dirt layers using masks. Use smart materials as templates, but edit their parameters so they match your asset. This saves time while giving control. Paint details with particle and alpha brushes for realistic grit, and make heavy use of generators that read curvature and AO link wire anchor points so changes propagate. Make sure to toggle layer, blend modes to refine the result. You finish by setting up the texture set exporter. Choose the correct preset for your engine, pick map sizes, and confirm file naming so exports slot into your pipeline. Once exported, test the maps in the target renderer and inspect normals and roughness values. Make adjustments if materials look off. If you encounter seams or flipped normals, rebake maps with increased padding and correct the UV seams. This single troubleshooting step resolves most final output issues and prevents lighting artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.